When you click the link, it should take you straight to the Desmos activity. Click join and then sign in with Google. Type in your name so we know who it is that's answering questions. The first activity has us looking at fractions and percentages. The first thing we need to do is add up the number of songs so we have a total. We start with 12 plus 14 plus 7 plus 17. This equals 50. For the future, it helps that I know that 2 groups of 50 equal 100. So 50 times 2 equals 100. I want to know the number of hip-hop songs next. So I look at that, and there are 14 hip-hop songs. So 14 out of the total 50. So my fraction is 14 over 50. Percent means out of 100. So I need to turn my 50 into 100, which I know means I need to multiply by 2. So I have to multiply both the top and the bottom by 2. 14 times 2 equals 28, and 50 times 2 equals 100. So now I have 28 divided by 100, which, an easy little trick here, if you're looking for percents and you're dividing by 100, you can just take that first number, the 28, and make it a percent. So the answer here is 28%. 28% of the songs are hip-hop. Now we want to show that 28% in a tape diagram. The first thing I'm going to do is look at my whole and my part. So up at the top, I'm representing the whole by writing that there are 50 songs. And my part, hip-hop, is 14 songs. So the whole thing, the total, that percent would be 100. I'm having a little bit of writing issue with this program, so pardon that. And then my part is the 28%. So I'm going to write my 28 over by that green line that represents my 14 hip-hop songs. Here you can see how Mr. McGrath made his tape diagram. Instead of putting the whole as 100, he subtracted 100 minus 28 and got 72. For the next one, you need a playlist. Feel free to use mine here. I've gone through and highlighted the songs based on the different categories they fall under. Now I'm going to use that playlist to complete this table. So I look up how many of each type of song I have, and I'm going to use the sentence stem I have, put in the number, rap songs. The same thing works with pop, country, and rock. I also decided I should go back and put in my total number of songs. So I have a total of 10 songs. I promise I do fix that spelling error later. So I have 3 rap songs, which is 3 out of 10. 10 times 10 gets me 100, so I have to multiply the 3 by 10, which gets me 30. So I have 30 over 100, and again, if I'm dividing by that 100, I can just take my 30 and make it the percent. So 30% of my songs are rap songs. I do the same thing with pop songs, so I write I have 4 pop songs. So 4 out of my total 10 songs are pop. If I multiply both the 4 and 10 by 10, I have 40 over 100, which gets me 40%. I have one country song, so I'm going to do the same. I have 1 out of 10 songs is country. I multiply both by 10. 1 times 10 equals 10, and 10 times 10 equals 100. So 10 out of my 100 is going to get me 10%. I have 2 rock songs. So I'm going to do the same thing here after I fix that spelling mistake. I make a lot of those. That's okay. I have 2 divided by 10. I'm going to multiply both of those numbers by 10. So now I have 20 out of 100. And I can just take that 20, and 20% of my songs are rock songs. Now I'm going to add up all my percents to make sure they equal 100%. So 30 plus 40 plus 10 plus 20. And once I double check my math, those do add up to 100%. So I've done this correctly. Here's a close-up of what I did so that you can use the same sentence stems. Please format your work just like this. For the last activity, we're going to look back at our playlist and pick a theme from that playlist. I chose the theme of dealing with drama because right now I feel like there's a lot of that in the world, and my playlist is helping me deal with it. After going back and checking my songs, I decided that 5 of the songs on my playlist help deal with drama. I have 10 total songs, so to make this into a fraction, I'm going to take 5 over 10. Then I want to turn this into a percent. So I'm going to have to multiply both my 5 and my 10 by 10. 5 times 10 equals 50, and 10 times 10 equals 100. This gets me a percent of 50. 50% of my songs on my playlist are to help deal with drama. Please use this video to help you finish the Desmos activity. If you want, you can use my list of songs to help you with the activity. Have a good day.